Please be seated. Good evening and welcome to the 2025 Convocation Ceremony for SUU's College of Engineering and Computational Sciences. My name is Jeff Meller, and I am the Dean of the college. At this time, I would like to recognize the distinguished senior administrative representatives with us on stage today. Please stand as your name is read and hold your applause until the end. From the SUU Board of Trustees, Chair Jody Hart Wilson, Vice Chair Eric Schmutz, Trustee Sydney Nacken, Trustee Coulter Bennett, and former Trustee Scott Johnson. From SUU's administration, SUU's President Mindy Benson, Interim Provost and Vice President of Academic Affairs Shauna Mendini, Vice President for Advancement and Enrollment Management Stuart Jones, Vice President of Community Outreach and Engagement Danica Soberville, Vice President of Operations Tiger Funk. From the College of Engineering and Computational Sciences, our Associate Dean, Matt Roberts, the Chair of the Department of Aviation Sciences, Patrick Clark, the Executive Director of Aviation, Mike Maurer, the Chair of the Department of Engineering and Technology, Scott Monroe, the Chair of the Department of Mathematics, Andrew Misseldine, the Chair of the Department of Computer Science and Cybersecurity, Glenn Sagers, the Director of the Master of Science Program in Cybersecurity and Information Assurance, Shalini Kesar, and Cybersecurity and Information Assurance faculty members, Brett Jordan and Parker Hannafin, and lastly, our college valedictorian, Chase Christensen. And joining us tonight also, we have Senator Evan Vickers. We are here today to celebrate that each of you have completed a rigorous program of study culminating in an associate's degree, a bachelor's degree, or a master's degree. But as you all now know, this accomplishment represents countless hours of discipline and hard work. Many of you will hang your diplomas on your wall, but there are many things that will not be shown on that valuable piece of paper. The number of hours you spent completing assignments, the events you missed because you were studying for exams, the names of the people who supported you and helped you reach this day. All these things show the discipline that you have to not only start something, but to finish it. When you originally set out on this adventure, your goal was not to start college, but to earn a degree. You all have now reached that goal. With any goal you set, it's important to create a plan so you can achieve it. Otherwise, you just have an idea with no direction. In college, we help you create that plan. We call that curriculum. You all followed a course schedule over multiple semesters, completing all the classes our esteemed faculty determined to be important to your future success in your chosen fields. Now that you are graduating, the setting of your next goals and creating that plan is up to you. Some of your goals will be professional and others will be personal. Maybe you're looking at starting or growing a family. Maybe you're wanting to find that special someone to spend your life with. Or maybe you're thinking about how you can get that first job or increase your pay so you can buy that house you've been looking at. No matter what the goal, make sure you have a plan to help you get there. And as some of you changed majors while you were here, keep in mind that your goals and plans can also change. But never stop challenging yourself to reach your fullest potential, one step at a time. The commitment you have shown over the past several years has made you a better person. not just from the knowledge you have gained, but from the character traits you've built. You've proven to yourself and others that you have what it takes to buckle down and achieve difficult goals. But remember that although you are able to do anything, you aren't able to do everything at the same time. There are different seasons in life for different goals, and the intensity that you put into each goal will change. Though we have trained you to hopefully succeed in your chosen field, I hope you've also learned from your time at SUU the value of relationships with your professors, your mentors, our incredible staff, and your colleagues. We have many of our faculty and staff here today to celebrate this amazing accomplishment with you. Can I please have our faculty and staff stand and be acknowledged for all your dedication to our students. And of course, you wouldn't be here today without the support of your family and friends, many of whom are here with you today. Although we are here to celebrate what you have accomplished, would you please acknowledge the other people who helped you reach this goal as well? As you start this next chapter in your life, please don't forget about your friends and family, your family that raised you, and your T-Bird family that helped you reach this day. Although today you will be departing from SUU, you will always be T-Birds. To help you remember your time at SUU, I'm going to be giving each one of you today a coin. I encourage you to place this coin somewhere you look frequently. Whenever you see the coin, let it be a reminder of the endurance you had to complete your degree. You all will have challenges in your life, and sometimes you may not think you'll be able to get through them. I hope this coin will remind you that with dedication, support from others, and hard work, you can accomplish anything. No problem you will ever face in life is unsolvable. There are just some problems that have yet to be solved. I hope that you all have fond memories of your time at SUU and within the College of Engineering and Computational Sciences. Your learning is not ending today, but honestly, it's just beginning. What you will learn over the next several decades will be far more than what you have learned over the previous few. Although today we are celebrating the accomplishment of completing your journey, don't forget about that journey and the discipline that it took to get here. Celebrate your accomplishment as you are now alumni of SUU. Congratulations, class of 2025. I would now like to introduce a student who has excelled beyond the expectation of the faculty in all departments in our college. Chase Christensen is a first-generation student originally from Monroe, Utah, who has completed a bachelor's degree in civil engineering with a perfect 4.0 GPA. He has been heavily involved in SUU, serving as the civil engineering representative on our college senate, and throughout his academic career, Chase has earned several prestigious awards and recognitions, including the Founders Scholarship, being a fellow in the writing program, working with faculty on Gibson Research and U.S. Department of Energy grants, and earning a Dean's List designation every semester. He and his wife are excited to graduate together, and Chase has accepted a full-time offer as a project engineer at Civil Science after graduation. His dedication and leadership have made him a well-deserving recipient of the highest academic award that we offer within the college. Please welcome our College of Engineering and Computational Sciences 2025 valedictorian, Chase Christensen.
Good evening, faculty, friends, family, and most importantly, my fellow graduates of the class of 2025. What a moment, what a milestone. Today we celebrate years of late nights, early mornings, problem sets, projects, labs, deadlines. We made it. We're here. And if you're anything like me, you might be sitting here thinking, wow, now I know a lot of stuff. That phrase, now I know, has been echoing in my mind a lot lately. And not in just the obvious ways, like now I know how to get across campus the fastest, or now I know how to design a beam that won't collapse, or even now I know that Excel can be both my greatest ally and my worst enemy. But deeper than that, now I know has come to mean a way to reflect, to reset, and to move forward. You see, there's something humbling about knowledge. A sentiment often attributed to Aristotle states, the more you know, the more you realize you don't know. This holds true especially in engineering and computational sciences, where we're in a constant dance with the unknown. We're spending years learning how to solve complex problems, and just when we think we've got it all figured out, we find out there's a better way, or someone points out something we missed. It can be frustrating. It can be frustrating to hear something that we already know explained again, and even harder to admit that we should have known it, but didn't. But here's the root of my thoughts tonight. Every time we learn, whether again or for the first time, we get to say, now I know. Not with shame, not with regret, but with purpose. Now I know doesn't just mark the end of ignorance, it marks the beginning of insight. It's not a confession of what we didn't know yesterday, it's a declaration of what we do know today. It gives us permission to grow. So maybe there were times in college when you struggled with a concept that others seemed to grasp right away. We may have failed exams or forgotten critical assignments, but we're still here. We still made it to this day, and now we know the power of perseverance. Now we also know the strength that comes from collaboration. Those long hours working together in the tutoring center, huddling around monitors, or late night text messages that start with, did anyone understand question 7? That turned into a full-blown group chat of mutual support. Now we know our work won't just be about equations and efficiency, it's about people, about impact, about building something that lasts, about solving problems, not just because they're interesting, but because they matter. We're setting out into a world that's complex, unpredictable, and sometimes overwhelming. But we're not going out there empty-handed. We're walking into that world with the tools to make a difference. And when we encounter challenges we don't fully understand, when someone teaches us something we feel we should have known, or when we fail or fall short, we can take a breath, stand tall, and say, now I know. And then we move forward. Class of 2025, we have lots ahead of us. New cities, new jobs, maybe even more school, or completely unexpected paths. But no matter where we go, remember this, learning doesn't stop here. Learning lives forever. Growth isn't about competition. It's about the quiet work of self-improvement. And humility doesn't weaken our brilliance. It strengthens it. So let's be problem solvers who don't let pride get in the way of our progress. Let's keep learning, keep listening, and keep saying, now I know. Thank you to our professors, mentors, families, and friends for the lessons we didn't always know we needed. Thank you for believing in us and pushing us and reminding us that the world needs what we've learned here. I personally also thank my wife, with whom I've had the pleasure of going through this educational journey with since day one. Congratulations, class of 2025. Now we know. Thank you.
Thank you, Chase. Now is the moment you've been waiting for, the awarding of the degrees. Diplomas will be awarded by myself and our Associate Dean, Dr. Matt Roberts, as your names are read.
Willie Williams, Aviation Maintenance Tech. Chase J. Christensen, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering. William Avery Stockett, Aviation Maintenance Tech. Celeste A. Peevler, Aviation Maintenance Tech and Certificate Airframe. Jarrett Castle Whitcomb, Aviation Maintenance Tech. Jaron Travis Diven, Aviation Maintenance Tech. Jaden Joseph Taylor, Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Lesloy Lambert, Aviation Maintenance.
Peyton Christopher Haskell, Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Janessa Carly Heaton, Culinary Arts.
Isaac Edward Marshall, Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Noah Hunt, Science. Nigel Antonio Zalea, Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Jared Douglas Owen, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Nolan Dower, Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Marsden Scott Zinda, Bachelor of Science, Aviation Admin and Leadership, and a minor in Management.
Juo Rodriguez, Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Arthur Michael Nelson, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences, and Aviation Admin and Leadership with a minor in Management.
Dallin Blake Kimber, Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Ty L. Nichols, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Benjamin Jacob Anderson, Aviation Sciences, Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Ashley Foss Nichols, Criminal Justice, Bachelors of Science.
Brian Blake, Aviation Administration and Leadership, and Aviation Maintenance Tech.
Cade Nelson Jakovich, Bachelor of Science, Aviation Admin and Leadership.
Dawson Edward Mejia Goodman, BA in Aviation Admin and Leadership, and thank you very much, Aviation Maintenance.
Kyle Robert Miller, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Jaron Heath Wolf, Bachelor of Science, Aviation Administration and Leadership.
Gentry Lee Jones, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences and Aviation Administration and Leadership.
Summer Ray Aniking, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences and Aviation Technology Pro Pilot.
Ryan Lee Owen, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
James Keegan Novada, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation and Sciences.
Carson John Kohler, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace, Aviation Sciences.
Joseph Wise Survey, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Science.
Jesse William McDaniel, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace, Aviation Sciences.
Ethan Giles Fletcher, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Kiara Henderson, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace, Aviation Sciences, and Aviation Technology Pro Pilot.
Adam Kealoha Luke, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity, and Julia Luke, Bachelor of Science, Outdoor Recreation and Parks and Tourism.
Connor G. Wolf, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace, Aviation Sciences.
Savannah Marie Pearson, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Tyler Peterson, Bachelor of Science in Aerospace Aviation.
Beck A. Walton, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Taylor Christopher Jackson, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences, and Aviation Technology Pro Pilot.
Anakin J. Lee, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Andrew David Nugent, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Camden Thomas Calandrino, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Elijah David Johnson, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences, and Aviation Technology Pro Pilot.
Jeremy Troy Walker, Bachelor of Science, Aviation Administration and Leadership, minor in Business Management.
Nathan A. Stockel, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Leonard Dylan Verostro, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Luca Reese Buckley, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Michael Walter Hoff, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Nathan Michael Monroe, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Benita Dainden Kakakama, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Joseph Jose Pruitt, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Emily Sandoval Acevedo, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Luna W. Hunt, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Camry Amelo Campos, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Daniel Joseph Keller Runyon, Bachelor of Science, Aviation Administration and Leadership.
Ian Andres McFarlane Garces, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science, Data Science.
Caitlin Newby, Aviation Administration and Leadership.
Stephanie Diane Ellis, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Hunter Dallin Rogers, Bachelor of Science, Aviation Administration and Leadership.
Leo Ann Newcomb, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Vincent Chen, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Elijah Nathaniel Webb, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Zay Brian Davis, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Alvin Jorgensen Reber, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Marco Domini Pagirigan Canosa, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Andrew David Wilkes, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Brevin Kendrick Blacker, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Christopher Martin Daxter, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Chase Ashworth Johnson, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Jaden Robinson, Bachelor of Science, Aviation Administration and Leadership.
Elida Spring Bittner, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Matteo Charles Toole, Bachelor of Science, Aerospace Aviation Sciences.
Crystal Hammond, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Dominic Quinn White, Bachelor of Science, Aviation Administration and Leadership.
Levi Peterson, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Emmanuel Egan Mata, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Chelsea Marie Christiansen, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Peter Dadston Jr., Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Trevor Bradley Iyer, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Nicholas Christopher Sorge, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Mason Colby Davis, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Victoria Fawcett, Bachelor of Science, Interdisciplinary Studies.
Rodrigo Armaza, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
McKay Karchner Fawcett, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Zaid Driddy, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Jerem K. Smith, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Ahmed. Yusuf Ahmed Abdelmalik Afifi, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Megan Jensen Smith, Bachelor of Science, Science Education.
Effie Caesar Sildir, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Spencer Kyle Smith, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Got it, that's good. Benjamin Samira Palmer, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science, and Nola Palmer, Bachelor of Science, Physical Education.
Yun Jo Liu, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Austin Vaughn Prince, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Arabana Damti, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Ethan Hunt, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Nicholas Isaac Savage, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Tanoa Fiona Lalu, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Lucas James Bigler, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Najala T. Jones, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Richard Turner Bushell, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Alexis Eris Nakas, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Ashton Mitchell Olson, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Peyton Lowen, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Colin Matthew Thompson, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Brandon Michael Estrada Miller, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Jake Dalton Williams, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Sean P. Nord, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Samantha Daniela Balint, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Karsten J. Heyer, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Easton Miles Barney, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Blake Matthew Rilfs, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Orion Ocean Juarez, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Gavin C. Locks, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Noah Benjamin Fithian, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Juan Cruz, Bachelor of Science, Cybersecurity.
Thomas Edward Monroe, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Christopher James Vincent, Bachelor of Science, Construction Management.
Aiden Bruce Brown, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
Jacob Lee Rudolph, Bachelor of Science, Construction Management.
Karina Rigtrup, Bachelor of Science in General Studies.
Jason Eli Ellsworth, Bachelor of Science, Construction Management.
Russell Clarkson, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Mara Michelle Pierce, Bachelor of Science, Construction Management.
Rodrigo Consaya Sanchez, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Kayla Ann Scougard, Bachelor of Science, Engineering, Technology, and Construction Management.
Cheyenne Marie Lonkar, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Edgardo Huerta Meroquin, Bachelor of Science, Construction Management.
Aaron Joaquin Montalvo, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering and Anthropology.
Connor James Dreisel, Bachelor of Science, Construction Management.
Austin L. Lund, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Joshua Joseph Jenkins, Bachelor of Science, Construction Management. Samuel John Staten, Bachelor of Science, Construction Management.
Cyrus Gabrielle Cave, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Eliel Canquende, Bachelor of Science, Engineering Technology.
David De Lero Santos, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering and a minor in mathematics.
Ahmed Mohammed Amin, Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering.
Rachel Elizabeth Reinhardt, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering.
Preston J. Palmer, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Sebastian Jean-Francois Frigeau, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering, Certificate in Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence.
Jack Edward Jepson, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Riker Charles Ogden, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Braden Bill Bastian, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Brandon Jace Atkinson, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering, Engineering Technology.
Dallin Russell Torgerson, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
Keldon David Nelson, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Marcus Wayman Hammond, Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering.
James Stanley, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Delani Kalan Belina, Bachelor of Science, Engineering Technology.
David Michael Austin, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering and Certificate in AI and Machine Learning for Engineering.
Keegan Lynn Rand, Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology.
Trevor Kendall Anderson, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Got it. Haley Christine Searman, Bachelor of Science Engineering Technology.
Adam Michael Bergraff, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Jacob Farrell Brinkerhoff, Bachelor of Science Engineering Technology.
Charles William Del Quadro, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering with a minor in math, physics, and chemistry.
Seth Jared Christensen, Bachelor of Science Engineering Technology. JC.
Gabriela Amani Mabungingaba, Bachelor of Science Cybersecurity.
JC Brunson Hall, Bachelor of Science Engineering Technology. Reagan Worley, Bachelor of Science Engineering Technology.
Tanya Ulithi Belangandi, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
Malia Dawn Anderson, Bachelor of Science Engineering Technology. Sarah Emmeline Lavisa. Yes. Sarah Emmeline Lavisa, Bachelor of Science Engineering Technology.
Josh Mudi Nawej, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering and a minor in Physics. Alexander Jefferson Ladd, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Nisha Yuki Fletcher, Bachelor of Science Mathematics.
David Max Whipple, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering and a minor in Math.
Levi William Wood, Bachelor of Science Mathematical Science.
Nicholas Lone Pembroke, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering.
Xander Troy Jackson, Bachelor of Science Mathematics Education.
Tyler Dean Van Meter, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
David W. Jackson, Bachelor of Science Mathematics. Swayze.
Joshua Nathaniel Merkley, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Dylan Charles Swayze, Bachelor of Science Mathematical Science.
Garrett James Francis, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Samuel Porter Anderson, Bachelor of Science Mathematical Science.
Brock Porter May, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Ethan Tenney, Bachelor of Science Computer Science Mathematical Science.
Evan Charles Percival, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Gabrielle Ryan Romney, Bachelor of Science Mathematical Science with minors in Physics, Chemistry, and Biology.
Michael Brian Hatch, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering.
Master of Science. Master of Science. Chantel D. Herrick, Master of Science in Cybersecurity with Information Assurance.
Megan Hatch Roundy, Master of Business Administration. Janae Sky Doomy, Bachelor of Science, Engineering Technology, minor in Agriculture. Timothy Lawrence Ammett, Bachelor of Science, Mechanical Engineering.
Charmaine J. Hunt Nez. Master of Education in Curriculum and Instruction.
Summer Rain Pratt, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering with a minor in physics. Taylor Clayton Davis, Bachelor of Science Mechanical Engineering with a physics minor.
Colleen Edith Silversmith, Master of Business Administration and Leadership.
Laura Garcia Pajero, Bachelor of Science Mathematical Science, a minor in Computer Science, Chemistry, and Political Science.
Skylie K. Melling, Master of Science in Cybersecurity with Information Assurance.
Kaylee Richmond, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering.
Is it Superville? Yvonne. Yvonne Superville, Master of Cybersecurity with Information Assurance.
Sarah Marie Jackson, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering.
Jennifer L. Johnson, Master of Science, Cybersecurity with Information Assurance.
Carter Jackson, Bachelor of Arts in Accounting and Spanish.
And Diane P. Black, Master of Science in Cybersecurity with Information Assurance.
Hunter Douglas Bentley, Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology. Bachelor of Science, Landon Ray Anderson, Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology. David Kent Oler, Masters of Science in Cybersecurity with Information Assurance. Corey Paul Ashworth, Masters of Science Cybersecurity with Information Assurance. Courtney Kendrick, Masters of Science Cybersecurity with Information Assurance. Foloronzo Ayula Agunbedi, Masters of Science Cybersecurity with Information Assurance. Jacob Michael Armstrong, Masters of Science Cybersecurity with Information Assurance. Ashley N. Ramos, Masters of Science Cybersecurity with Information Assurance.
This concludes the awarding of all degrees in the College of Engineering and Computational Sciences. Thank you to all the families and friends for your support of our graduates and for attending our ceremony. To our graduates, you have now risen to the ranks of being T-Bird alumni. I'm excited to see the amazing things you will do and the value you will all add to our world. Congratulations, class of 2025.
Thank you for attending Southern Utah University's commencement and the degree convocation for the College of Engineering and Computational Sciences. We kindly ask that you exit the America First Event Center promptly and proceed to the Charwan Smith Student Center Ballroom for photo opportunities. The degree convocation for the Dixie L. Levitt School of Business will begin shortly in this arena at 6:30 p.m.